Hi, this is Misty Garrett, and I'm here to share my website. It's the 2018-19 Arkansas Book Awards and Book Talks. Book Talks are something that I wanted to start in my library for a few months now, so I think this is the perfect opportunity to join Book Talks with the Book Awards. Here on my homepage, it's just thanking people for checking out my website, and it's got a little information about my school with a picture. One of the things that I love to do is motivate people, and I'm trying to do that with this video. The world needs to stop being boring. Yeah. Boring is easy. I like to be boring. Life's not very, but life is If you haven't checked out Kid President before, you will love him. He has several videos, and most of them are very entertaining and motivating. Next, I have my contact information. It just gives my phone number and my email address. Next, we move to the course overview. And here is where I have embedded my podcast that I talk about the overview of the course. We'll just start that for just a second. Hello, my name is Misty Garrett. Okay, that's enough of that. Here I've stated my objectives, and I put down help here for any of our students that may have a problem. If it's a Chromebook problem, ask the teacher for help. If she can't fix the problem, go to Miss Miller, who is our technology specialist. If it's a problem with the website, you need to come and see me. My announcement tag has a calendar where I can add things to the calendar, and it will show up on the website for things like deadlines or important meeting dates. In the content tab, I have broken it up in modules, and there are 4 modules. The first module is talking about the book awards for the Arkansas Diamond nominees and the Charlie May Simon nominees. So, this is your library That's enough of that. So after the kids listen to this first presentation and they watch the second presentation, then I'm asking them to do a small quiz. It's multiple choice. It's only worth 10 points, but since I don't get grades, they're just kind of a guideline to see how they're doing. Anyway, I made this quiz on forms, and it has a self-grader in it, so the kids will know as soon as they finish how well they did. Instant feedback. Module 2. This is where I get to feature my favorite thing, which is Flipgrid. This is where you can make small 1-minute videos, and you can talk about any kind of subject. So it's kind of like a discussion board, but it's all about videos. First, I have a tutorial on how to use Flipgrid, and then here, embedded in the button, is a link to go to the Flipgrid board that I have created for them to introduce themselves. It's just for practice. Module 3 is when we get into the book talks. And I have an instructional video here of how to do a book talk. And then I have one of my favorite examples of a book talk. In my library, I do several book talks a week. And now I want to turn that over to our older students. After they are introduced to book talks, they can fill out this exit ticket. Once again, this was made with forms in Google. Module 4. Here is where they read their book, and then they're going to fill out this outline to gather and organize their thoughts for what they're going to do on the video. Then I gave them a rubric so they could look to see exactly what is expected of them during the book talks. And that is my website. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.